Hi, Joe Clements back at it again with the next Sapaugh giveaway. With holidays quickly approaching, we want one lucky family to have an unforgettable Christmas. For our next promotion, the Family Christmas Frenzy will be giving the lucky winner 5 gift cards to make this Christmas the best one yet. The winner will receive a $300 Best Buy gift card, a $300 Lowe's gift card, $300 to Dick's Sporting Goods gift card, $300 Amazon gift card, and a $300 Visa gift card. That's $1,500 in gift cards. To enter to win, all you have to do is like the Sapaugh GM Country Facebook page, share this video publicly, and tag family and friends who you would buy gifts for. We'll be announcing the lucky winner on Friday, December 16th. Sapaugh GM Country, it's family owned, customer focused, everyone leaves happy.